Hey, my online coaches and creatives, Debbi Starr here. I have a secret that I want to share with you today, so lean in and pay attention. When you're building and growing your business, here is the secret. You don't have to be the unique kid on the block. Now, what do I mean by that? Most people, they search and search and they think, okay, I'm going to create this really unique thing and people are going to come flocking. But here is the secret. What you need to do is look at what are the problems that people are talking about. And the more people talk about that problem, that is an indicator that there is a need for a solution. So instead of spending all your time trying to come up with this really unique idea, maybe it's not even addressing a problem that people have. Go after those common problems. Now, let me just share my own personal experience. If you've been around my world, I'm all about systems and automations and being efficient in your business. But at the end of the day, what most of my clients need is they need to figure out how to get leads, how to sell their program, and how to scale it. And I resisted for a long time because I wanted to be unique. I wanted to be special. So I tried all these creative ways of, let's create these systems. And yes, we definitely need systems in our business, but how I was packaging it, I was going after a problem that was like 3 or 4 layers deep. The main problem people have when they're starting their business or trying to grow it is how to get leads, how to sell to people, and how to scale their business. So I started looking at, okay, the people that are really popular, the people that are making the money, what problem are they solving? It's not this, once in a lifetime type of thing. It's those common problems. So think about, do some research and think about what are the common problems people have in your realm of expertise and can you solve it? Now, later on, there'll be other videos where I talk about we all need to bring something unique to the table, but not so unique that you're off in left field and nobody finds you. So hopefully that makes sense, okay? Go after those common problems because that's how business is. People have a problem and you have a solution. So if you're only hitting, like the 0.00001% of people that have that problem, it's going to be a long uphill battle for you. So as always, I hope this was useful, this little nugget. Hit the subscribe button, hit the link below if you want to learn more about how I help you grow your business, and I will see you next time. Take care.